Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get WPS Office Pro for free, using a simple method you can try right now. So, if you've been looking for a way to enjoy all the premium features without spending money, this is for you. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the WPS Office app. Make sure you're logged into the account, and check that you're using the latest version of the app. Step 2. In the menu, look for the profile icon at the top and tap on it. This will open your account settings, and here you can confirm that you're signed in with the account you want to use for the Pro trial. Step 3. After that, scroll down and locate the premium option at the bottom, then tap on it. This is where WPS lists all their Pro features and subscription plans, so you'll know exactly what you can get with the upgrade. Step 4. Now, you will see an option for a 3-day free trial. While there is no permanent way to always get Pro for free, this trial lets you enjoy all the features without paying for those 3 days. To activate it, simply tap on the free 3-day trial button, and then add your payment method in the menu. Don't worry, you won't be charged immediately, and you can cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to continue the subscription. This way, you get full Pro Mode access completely free for 3 days. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.